it's Audrey Weidman, and it is Monday of Memorial Day, but you know tomorrow is a work week, and I'm kind of trying to do some of my meal prep today. We've got some chicken breasts and chicken thighs out on the grill. We've got some beef on the grill as well, but I wanted to show you a little bit about one of my favorite vegetables, and that is asparagus. It is super, super good for you. It's a great detoxifier. It's very rich in lots of vitamins. It's a diuretic if you have too much extra fluid. It's something that you might want to add to your repertoire of stuff, but I just thought I would show you one of the ways I like to make it. Now, I grew up with asparagus where you would make it and it would generally be like boiled, you know, like you'd put it in a large saucepan and it would come out kind of limp and it would no longer be green. And I still liked it then, but since then I use it in stir fries, so it's crisp tender and bright green. And I also love roasting it. So I just thought I would show you one of the ways that I do this, and I'm going to turn the camera down here. So I have these beautiful purple asparagus that I got, and I also have the more traditional, I'm going to turn it this way so you can see, I have the more traditional green ones. And I turned on the oven because I'm having roasted peppers to go with or roasted tomatoes, excuse me. But I just thought I'd show you how easy this is. So this is 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. You might think I would be using olive oil, but olive oil doesn't hold up as well in the heat. So I'm just gonna like mix this around to kind of get some more coating on the asparagus. And then I'm going to add in one clove of garlic that we're also gonna mix around. This is just minced garlic, and you can also get the garlic like from here. You can get this kind of garlic or do it fresh. Then just add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Kosher, what am I saying? This is sea salt, Himalayan, pink Himalayan salt, because that has a lot more minerals to it than just plain salt. The kind like the Morton's doesn't have the richness of the minerals. And then this is half a teaspoon of black pepper. And finally, I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. And now I'm going to mix these up and just make sure everything's evenly coated and that they're all kind of in a row and not overlapping really. And then I'm going to throw this into the oven for 425 degrees between 10 and 15 minutes. And I think it really kind of depends on the thickness of the spears. Like for example, this is a lot thicker than those. So I'm guessing that this purple asparagus is going to be a lot more, will take a little bit longer. So the other thing is that I am going to be adding, when this comes out of the oven, I'm going to be adding just a tablespoon of lemon juice to brighten up the flavor and topping it with just a little bit more grated Parmesan. But it's really good, and these make wonderful leftovers too. You can eat them cold, you can warm them up slightly, add them to a salad, and you're partaking of a really great vegetable. I hope you make some asparagus. Don't stay away from it because it's super simple to make and you're gonna get a bang for your buck in terms of nutrition. If you like this and you like learning about these kind of recipes, I would want to invite you to a summer slim down that I am running with some other health and wellness coaches. And if that's something that you're interested in, it will include lots of recipes, it will include some training and that sort of thing. You are more than welcome to join me. So you could private message me or leave a message below.